Welcome back, everybody. It's a really exciting time for me right now. My latest coloring book, Intricate Ink Animals in Detail Volume 3, was just released. I just received a box of books from Pomegranate and opened it up and was really excited to see them. They did a beautiful job printing them. So this is the book. So you see the cover, and it has 25 of my new drawings in it. And just in case you don't know, it's the third volume in my series of coloring books. This is the first one, and this had 50 drawings in it. And this is the second one, volume 2, which had 25 also. So now I have 3, and I really want to say thank you all for supporting me and making them all possible. And what I'd like to do to celebrate the release is give a book away. So all you have to do is be a subscriber of my channel and leave a comment below of your favorite endangered animal. That's it. And the contest will run for a week till next Monday, February 5th at 12:30 p.m. And after that, what I'll do is I will pick a random winner and message you through YouTube Messenger to let you know you won. You have to be a U.S. Someone that's in the U.S. to be eligible, because that's where I can ship the book out to. And again, thank you all for your support. It's really been a wonderful, wonderful experience. I'm going to do a quick video flip through of the book after this, just so you can see the animal drawings that are in Volume 3. So thanks again, and happy coloring.